Are you struggling to lose weight and get in shape, but don't know where to start? That's where ExcelerateX comes in. As affiliates, we recommend and promote unique memberships that can help you achieve your weight loss goals in a safe and sustainable way. In this video, we'll also be sharing 5 tips that you can use to start losing weight today.
Tip 1. Drink more water. Drinking plenty of water can help you stay hydrated, which can help reduce feelings of hunger and prevent overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water a day. Tip 2. Eat more protein. Protein is an essential nutrient that can help you feel full and satisfied, which can make it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Aim to include protein in every meal, such as lean meats, fish, beans, and legumes. Tip 3. Reduce your sugar intake. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain and a range of health problems. Try to limit your intake of sugary drinks and snacks, and opt for whole foods instead. As affiliates, we strongly advise looking into a few beneficial memberships to see how they might support you on your quest for improved health. Finally, you can start losing weight and achieving your health goals by incorporating these 3 hidden tips into your daily routine. Keep in mind to visit ExcelerateX for more help and direction on your weight loss journey. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the next video.